Just wanted to get in here real quick, and we're just gonna do a unboxing of this Milwaukee kit right here. This is a 2-tool combo kit. This is a compact size. This is part number 269122. I bought this to replace my M18 fuel, the impact. This is the brushless motor. I actually took it apart to see what was wrong with it. I have all the tools in the garage. This is just the, I don't know if you can see it right here. This is just the transmission. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this back together, but I didn't buy the same replacement tool, but I did buy something that is gonna be able to accommodate to the platform of work that I do here. Pretty much I just gotta maintain this build, and it's nothing too heavy duty or anything like that. So we're just gonna get in here, unbox the whole thing. And one more thing that I will do before the end of the video, I'm gonna weight all the batteries, or I'm gonna weight the 1.5 battery that it has here. We're gonna weight the 4.0, and I'm also gonna weight the 4.5 to see which one's the heaviest when it comes to work. All right. Alright, so what you get in the box is you actually get about 4 things. The kit includes right here, you have the driver, the impact, you have 2 batteries, 1.5 batteries, you get 2 of those. You have a charger that can charge M18 and M12, and you have the contractor bag. So here on the side. So again, this is the Milwaukee kit 2691 tag 22 if you want to order that online. Like I said, I bought it to replace a really nice impact that I built a lot of decks, really heavy duty stuff. But yeah, truly what was happening, my trigger was, every time I engaged the trigger, it was just not going. I thought it had a loose connection. I would mess with the battery, and a few times I would have to go back and forth between the transmission, and sometimes I would get it to work, but at the end of the day, I just needed a new kit. My wife bought me this for Father's Day, so we'll see what it comes with. So you have the owner's manual, you have the operations manual here. It's, I guess, the same thing. You have the charger. Like I said, it comes with the M12. I've never really messed with the M12. I think it's just a smaller application. The platform, the work that I do is mostly M18. That's where we stay. I already have one of this, so there's just gonna be an extra one. And you got some cardboard to take that to the side. Let's see here, let's lower the camera a little bit more. Oops. All right, I guess you can see that. There's one battery, M18. This is on the M18 series. This is not the fuel series, which I really like the fuel a lot. It seems like it's got more power. So you have 2 batteries. They don't come pre-charged. They barely come with 1 bar. But this is low profile. I'm used to this, which I guess they get heavy after a while. And like I said, I'm gonna weight them at the end of the video. So lithium batteries, low profile, 1.5, CP 1.5. So you get 1, you get 2. I guess you get 1 per 2, which is really, really good. You have another one here. They come pre-packaged, and let's see how many. This one also comes only with barely 1 bar. Then you have, so you have that. You have the driver. Now, if I compare this driver to my other driver, this one is not brushless. Still the M18. It does have a hydraulic, from what I read here, it has a hydraulic drive, which is supposed to be quieter. I know my impact tool, if I was working on metal or something like that, it would definitely make a lot of noise. So I don't want to make a lot of noise because the baby's sleeping right now. My wife just put her to bed. But it feels the same. Weight wise, probably not the same because I'm used to this kind of setup. It is quieter from what I can hear. But let's go ahead and see I guess that's full power. Okay, one of the things I noticed different right away. The M18 right here. I don't know if you noticed that I took off the selector right here. It will have 3 settings right here. So that's one of the things that I already see I'm gonna be missing about this one. Once I put it to the 3rd power, I can just do pretty much anything, any heavy duty work. So I might still have to purchase this one, or maybe fix it, maybe buy the trigger on eBay or whatnot. I'll go ahead and put a video regarding how if I fixed it or not. So we have one tool right here. I really like this. It comes really handy. I can put it on my belt. That's one of the things I don't like about Milwaukee. I'm not sure if any other DeWalt or Makita do this, but Milwaukee is really loose, but it still has a good connection right here. Then we come to, let's see, they give you, I guess they give you a lot of other, I guess they give you more offers and what kind of tools they offer here. They have a big selection of tools. I'm sure you know that Milwaukee makes a lot of tools. One of the tools that I would like to get maybe later is gonna be a bandsaw. I do see myself needing a bandsaw pretty often. Then last thing on the tool bag, contractor bag, we have the driver. I do have one of these also that I bought from a previous kit. I want to see how loud this one is, and we'll be doing some videos testing this for later. Okay, that one seems pretty snug, which it just feels like just putting a magazine on a cheap gun. Let's show you how it feels. I don't know if it's just my this driver was, this one actually went in pretty smooth, so it might just be this driver here. You can definitely smell the electric, the brushes. My favorite thing about this one is it was brushless. It was pretty loud, which apparently this ones are supposed to be quieter and they're supposed to be on lower decibels. But it's not a bad kit. I actually paid $149. That's before taxes. So they come with a charger. I guess you can put that on the bottom. Then you can put this on top of this, and you can go on to work. I think I would like this setup a lot. I'm gonna see my scale. Let me weigh the tool by itself. Let's see how much it actually weighs. Let's see here. This one only goes up to, let me try to, so the camera can see it. This one only goes to, let's tear the scale. And what do we got? Do we have zeros? All right. First, I'm going to weight, let's see, tear it again. I'm just gonna weight the battery by itself. It weighs, let's see, 14. Man, let me turn this around. I'll let you guys know the number. Let's tear the scale. Tear it again, zeros, and it weighs 15 ounces. This is about half a pound. I'm gonna go ahead and tear this one, weigh just the drill by itself, and I'll flip this thing around so you guys can see. I think I can read the scale now. This one should be weighing about 3 to 4 pounds. What is it? I still can't read like that. The numbers are just so weird. Let's see here. We are weighing 0 scale, and we'll be weighing. See here, 2 pounds. Oop. You gotta tear it again. I haven't used this scale in a while, and it just broke on me. See here. There you go. Tear. Unit. Let's take the battery off real quick. Alright, tear it. I say about 3 pounds. like this. 0. It's actually 2 pounds 8 ounces. All right, so you're looking at this drive with 2 pounds 8 ounces, and if we add the battery, we come to 3 pounds 4 ounces. All right, so 3 pounds 4 ounces. Now, if you put the 4.0 battery, you're gonna get 3 pounds 12 ounces. Okay, I guess there's not much difference between these two, although this one feels heavier. If you end up putting the, see here, if you end up putting the M18, you come to 3 pounds 12 ounces. M18 5.0. So, see, let's go ahead and tare it. I just want to make sure my measurements were accurate. So 0, this one 14 ounces, and tare it again, tare it. 0, the M18 4.0 obviously is gonna weigh more. It's got a little bit of paint. I don't know if that really matters or not. So this is gonna be 1 pound, 1 pound 8 ounces. So I know that's why it's a little bit heavier. And go ahead and tare it again. With a 5.0 M18 red lithium, it's gonna be over 1 pound 9 ounces. So this one's by far the heaviest. All right, so let's go into the driver. This one is definitely gonna weigh less than my brushless M18, 18 volt. Let's see, just the impact tool. Let's start this. Impact tool just by itself. It's a quarter drive. Let's see here, 2 pounds 3 ounces. All right, 2 pounds 3 ounces, and let me weigh it with the battery. Actually, I won't put it on so I can weigh other batteries. With the battery that it comes with, is gonna be 2 pounds or 3 pounds 1 ounce. All right, give it or take 1 ounce, and then. Let's see, with a 4.0 battery, it's gonna be 3 pounds 11 ounces, and then this one is gonna be probably close to the 3.5 pounds, 3 pounds 12 ounces. All right, so there you have it. Let me see if I can weight the whole kit. I probably don't have a big enough scale. It can go up to 11 pounds, but I guess the whole kit is gonna weigh about less than 10 pounds. So you'll be carrying less than 10 pounds to the job site. And obviously, if you're carrying these tools, you don't have a big of a job. This is not the tools that you take for a big job, although they can get the job done. But this is just more around the home. You know, if you have a small facility to take off, you know, hinges, maybe you do some top guns, you know, that you have to get in the concrete. One of the things I want to show you, from my previous tool, I want to show you the transmission right here. I want to show you this. And I think I can sell this on eBay, but really what I want to do, I want to get this thing working again, because it's really been a good tool. Mostly I use it to build decks, and it weighs about 1 pound. 1 solid pound. So most of your weight on the impact driver is gonna come from here. So there you have it. There's a kit. More. I'm not really. This video is not really on specs besides the weight. But if you want to look at maybe some more YouTube videos that have more details, look at 26. Look at a number regarding 26, 91, 22. So that's it, just a small review video, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Please hit like if you can, and thank you.